Mama! Today, let's talk about breast pumping, how it works and why it's such a lifesaver for many moms. Breast pumping simply means expressing your milk using a manual or electric pump. It's perfect when you want to rest, return to work, or let someone else help with feeding, while still giving your baby your milk. Here's how to make it smooth and comfortable. Find a calm, relaxing spot. Wash your hands and make sure all pump parts are clean. Gently massage your breasts before pumping to help your milk flow. When you're done, store your milk safely. Fresh milk lasts about 4 hours at room temperature, 4 days in the fridge, and several months in the freezer. Always label with the date before storing. If you're just starting out, don't worry if you don't get much milk. Every mom's body is unique. Consistency is the key. Pump every 2 to 3 hours to maintain a healthy supply. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple breastfeeding tips.